Georgie?
Just this one.
Alright, okay.
Yung nakata. Ano?
Tapos, sila yung nag-expire.
Ano sabi ko lang, baka ano sila? Baka tapos sila. Na relationship.
Ano yan?
So we're already here in our hotel room. Actually, nag-upgrade kami for a night. Thank God, meron pang available tonight. So, nandito kami sa direct pool access ni Hennan Park. So, let me give you guys a tour. A quick tour lang. Okay, so here's the door pagpasok nyo. And then, ayan, may space for the luggages. And then, on the right, merong vault. And then, a lot of organizers. And the cabinets. And then, merong semi full-size mirror on the left. And then I really like the bathroom because it looks like this. Ayan, kitang-kita kayo ng mga kasama nyo pag maliligo kayo. And my bathtub, so love it. And then mirror again, and then toilet. And then ito yung bed namin. So since maliliit naman kami, magtatabi-tabi na lang kaming tatlo here. And then, meron tayong organizers here. So, may mga complimentary shit.
Sabihin ako sa inyo, guys.
So nice. I'm vlogging! Ayan, and then, here. Ayan, and then we also have TV. I'm just not sure if smart TV siya, pero feel ko hindi rin siya magagamit. So, ayan. And then, may couch dito if you have guests coming over and all. And then, I really like this marble table. And then, meron ding vanity area here that fits actually the three of us. And then, my favorite part is the pool access. Okay, sorry we were a bit interrupted. Meron kasing tao kanina. But, hindi kasi ako masyadong nagsalita sa vlog na to, I think. So, yeah, I just want to sit down for a while and relax. Yesterday, we arrived here in Boracay and ang dami nangyari bago ko pumunta dito. Sumakit yung ngipin ko, nagkaroon ako ng singaw, and then nagka-acid reflux pa ako. Like, after 4 years of like not having it, kahapon na lang ako ulit uminom ng Kremil so I wasn't actually feeling well yesterday. Pero nung mga gabi na, okay naman na, but still, dami nangyari. And then, yeah, I'm actually here finally. Last time I've been here was I was in college, when I was in high school. So, and it's my first time spending my own money to travel. So, it's a milestone for me. And, yeah. So, every time na nag-outing, ako talagang unang nagigising at gisingin natin yung ibang tao. Guys, it's already 6:30. Wake up na. Come on, work it. Punta tayong Boracay para matulog. Wake up, bitches! Ay, nagkumot po yung isulit. Kakainis. Let's go, guys. It's gonna be a long day. Alright, so we are heading out. This is my look for tonight. Ala, nag-blurred. Ay, no, hindi na siya blurred. CCTV! POV ng CCTV.
Let me check baka naligo na.
Never to forget.
Such a memorable night for the three of us, but for one more.
Especially for this girl.
Huwag sabihin.
And we're on the way back to the hotel. And wala nang katao-tao. Sipat na lang. Hey guys, so it's our last day today and we're just packing up. Breakfast na kami at hindi ko na video yon, pero yeah, it's our last day today and we're going home! So we are going our separate ways. Aww. See you in 5 years pag may anak na ako, bye-bye. Ay, tino 5 years.
Mga lasing pa din. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching our
See you on
Boracay
season
trip.
2!
Wow!